Welcome back to Set Force, and today we're going to be taking a look at a few products sent to me by Mpow. So today we'll be taking a look at two pairs of headphones, one pair of earphones, and a smartwatch. Now all of these products have managed to sell very well on Amazon, so let's see what makes them so good. So let's begin with the noise cancelling headphones. So these headphones actually come with quite a lot inside the box. We have a carrying case. Now this is only a soft bag, which means that there's not a lot of protection offered. But this isn't too bad, especially considering it's only a budget set of headphones coming in at around £30. As well as this, we have the micro USB charging cable, which is obviously standard, and then we have the cable for a wired connection, and then we also have the manuals as well. Now these headphones do have Bluetooth compatibility, which means that the cable doesn't need to be used. But without the cable, the battery life is obviously quite limited. But I suppose this is your choice, and obviously it depends on whether you're a heavy user of headphones in general. Now this pair of headphones also features noise cancellation, which does work, but doesn't work nearly as good as you'd want it to. So what the noise cancellation does is it seems to produce a slight sound, which does partially block out some of the background sound. Now it does do something, but compared to high-end headphones, the quality of the noise cancellation is never going to be as good. But well done to Mpow for at least trying to get a high-end feature into a budget set of headphones. Okay, so now let's take a look at these sleek red and black headphones. So these headphones also come with all of the same items inside the box. We have the carrying case, micro USB cable, 3.5mm headphone jack cable, and the manuals. Now these items are pretty much exactly the same, except for the headphone jack cable being of a slightly higher quality, which means that the quality of audio you hear through the wired connection with those headphones is better than the other set of headphones. But then again, these headphones don't have noise cancellation like the other pair does. These headphones also seem to be slightly more comfortable and less loose around the head compared to the other pair, which is pretty good. So out of the two pairs, I would probably recommend the red and black ones because they're more comfortable, they sound decent, they're cheaper, and they have a sleek red and black design. So moving on to the earphones. Inside the box we get the earphones themselves, the micro USB charging cable, the manuals, additional ear tips, and a carrying case. So when it comes to fitting these earphones, they're actually pretty comfortable and quite easy to put on. And on top of this, the sound quality is actually pretty decent, especially considering that they're less than £20. But when it comes to comparing these to a set of Jaybird earphones, they don't really stand a chance. I mean, these earphones lack noise isolation abilities, and the sound quality is nowhere near as good. But in comparison to something like the Apple earphones, you're getting about the same level of sound quality, and Bluetooth capability on top of this for a slightly more expensive price. Which isn't too bad, especially if you consider the IPX7 rating these earphones have. Mpow has also decided to add a pair of foam ear tips, which are similar to the ones supplied with the Jaybird X4s and X3s. Now these are pretty good as they enable better sound isolation by absorbing the background noise, and they can also mould to your ear shape for a more comfortable feel. As well as this, they have decided to add a nice red and black hardshell case, which can fit all the necessary accessories inside. And I think this is very good, especially when you compare them to other earphones around this price point. Okay, so now let's talk about the final product, the smartwatch. Honestly, this smartwatch was actually pretty good. It was effective when calculating your heart rate, steps, calories burnt, and distance walked. It also has an inbuilt smartwatch, which means that you can time yourself when you go for a run, which is a nice additional feature. Overall, this smartwatch has a very nice minimal design, and Mpow has enabled this watch to be used with a third-party app called VeryFit, which enables you to track your fitness and see whether you've achieved the required goals, as well as analyze your sleep patterns, which is an amazing additional feature for a very cheap smartwatch. The only slight issue, which I think if changed would make this smartwatch amazing, is that it isn't waterproof. So if it was waterproof, you could use it in the shower and you don't have to worry about it getting wet. But I suppose this isn't a major issue, and for £24 you're getting plenty packed inside this small package. Okay guys, that's it for now. Now remember to go down to the description below and click on the links to take you to these products. And don't forget to drop a comment down below to let me know what other products you'd like me to take a look at. And let me know what your favourite piece of 2018 tech is. And don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and take a look at some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.